Welcome back to FLUX USA. My name is Ryan. Today you're going inside a modern snake venom factory. This is where danger turns into medicine. This is where venom helps fight cancer. When people hear snake venom, they think of death. In science, venom tells a different story. It holds complex chemicals that interact with the human body in precise ways. This factory looks nothing like a movie lab. It is clean, bright, quiet. It follows medical grade standards. Every room is sealed. Air pressure is controlled. Temperature stays stable all day. Cleanliness is checked constantly. Only trained professionals work here. They follow strict safety steps. Every move is planned and recorded. Now, let us talk about the snakes. These snakes are not taken from the wild. They come from licensed breeding centers. Each snake is tracked and monitored. Species matter a lot. Cobras produce neurotoxins. Vipers produce blood-related toxins. Each venom behaves differently in the body. This diversity is important for medicine research. Now you see the venom extraction process. This is called venom milking. It does not hurt the snake. The snake is handled calmly by experts. A sterile container is placed in front of the fangs. The snake releases venom naturally. The process lasts only seconds. After that, the snake returns to its enclosure. It rests. It is observed by veterinarians. No stress, no harm. Venom extraction happens only a few times per month per snake. The venom itself is extremely powerful. Just a tiny amount can affect thousands of cells. That is why the next steps use machines instead of hands. The venom moves into sealed lab chambers. Robotic systems take over. Human contact is limited. First, the venom is frozen. Then it goes through freeze drying. This removes moisture and creates a stable powder. This powder can be measured precisely. Precision matters at the smallest scale. Now the science gets deeper. Snake venom contains hundreds of different compounds. Most are not useful for medicine. Scientists must find the right ones. Advanced machines separate venom proteins. Each compound is isolated and labeled. Each one is tested individually. Cancer cells behave differently from normal cells. They divide faster. They ignore stop signals. They spread aggressively. Some venom compounds target those behaviors. Certain peptides stop cancer cells from sticking to healthy tissue. Others block signals that tumors use to grow. Some trigger cancer cells to shut down on their own. This is not instant. Testing takes years. First, compounds are tested on isolated cells, then on controlled biological models. Only after that do clinical trials begin. Very few compounds make it through every stage. Once a compound proves safe and effective, it moves to medicine production. At this stage, no venom is used anymore. Scientists recreate the compound in laboratories. This protects animals. It also ensures consistency. Large stainless steel tanks grow the compound using biological processes. Filters remove impurities. Every batch goes through quality testing. Dosage must be exact. Even a tiny variation is rejected. These medicines are used in cancer therapy research. They are also used for blood pressure treatment. Some help prevent blood clots and strokes. One well-known heart medicine today exists because of snake venom research. That shows the value of this work. Now, let us talk about safety. This factory follows international medical regulations. Audits happen regularly. Emergency systems are always active. Anti-venom is stored on site. Medical teams are trained and ready. Venom waste is neutralized before disposal. Nothing enters the environment untreated. This is controlled science, not risk. Ethics play a big role here. Animal welfare teams oversee snake care. Snakes live in climate-controlled habitats. They receive proper food and medical care. The goal is research with responsibility. Now, a common question. Does snake venom cure cancer? No. Venom itself is never given to patients. Scientists extract specific molecules from venom. Those molecules are refined and tested. Think of venom as a library of chemical instructions. Researchers choose only the safe pages. Cancer treatment uses many approaches. Venom-based medicine supports targeted therapy. Targeted therapy focuses on specific cancer behavior. It avoids harming healthy cells when possible. The future looks promising. Artificial intelligence helps analyze venom faster. Computers identify useful compounds in weeks instead of years. Genetic science allows safe reproduction of venom peptides. No snakes required. Researchers are also studying personalized medicine. One day, treatments may match your exact cancer type. That is where this research leads. Now, let us bring it all together. Snake venom is not just poison. It is chemistry shaped by nature. In the right hands, it saves lives. You just saw how a modern snake venom factory works. From careful extraction, to advanced labs, to potential cancer medicine. If this video helped you understand science better, support the channel. Like the video, share it with friends. Subscribe and follow FLUX USA. I am Ryan. Thanks for watching. See you next time.